Hey there, this is Gabby. Let's talk today about the ChatGPT. Now you can use your own ChatGPT account and connect it to MoneyRoot. You don't going to need to go out and back to grab whatever you want outside and then come back and add it to your articles. What you need to do is just go into the settings, and then in here, as you see, enter your ChatGPT IP key, and then click here to test the IPT is working. And after that, you're gonna be working with ChatGPT with no issue at all. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area, and I will back to you as soon as possible. Until the next one.